Python is the fastest growing and most popular programming language, not just among software engineers, but also among mathematicians, data analysts, scientists, accountants, network engineers, and even kids, because it's a very beginner-friendly programming language. Hello guys, welcome to our channel Fursat Gyan. Today, in this session, I am going to explain you what is Python, what is Flask, and what is API. So first we will learn what is Python. Python is an object-oriented, interpreted, high-level programming language which is simple, easy to learn syntax, and it emphasizes readability. Now, what is object-oriented programming or OOP? OOP is a widely used concept in programming, and almost all the modern languages except C follows OOP principle. It is a programming style which is associated with the concept of class, object, and various other concepts. If you want to learn more about these topics, just write in comment section. I will make a complete video on that. Why Python is interpreted? Because Python turns our code into the language which can be understood by our computer. Why Python is high level language? Because Python is highly abstracted from assembly language, or we can say the language which is machine independent are the high level language, and the hardware dependent language are low level language. Python is created by Guido van Rossum in 1989. He wanted to make a language that is beautiful to look at and easy for everybody to read. To do this, he used indentation instead of curly braces to basically describe the blocks of code that came inside the language. The language went on but did not receive love because it was slow compared to other languages. Now, with the rise of machine learning and artificial intelligence, Python has came into the spotlight because it means it works much more productive and much more easy. People from different professions use Python for a variety of different tasks such as data analysis and visualization, artificial intelligence and machine learning. And Python is also used as a scripting and automation language. In fact, this is one of the big usage of Python for the people who are not software developers. If you constantly have to do boring repetitive tasks, which is copying files and folders around, renaming them, uploading to a server, for that we can easily write a Python script to automate all that and save our time. Okay, let's take one more example. If you continuously have to work with Excel, spreadsheet, PDF, CSV file, download website and parse them, we can automate all the stuff with Python. So you don't have to be a software developer use Python. It could be accountant, mathematician or scientist use Python to make your life easier. Now, if you have a programming experience, you can think that we can do all these stuff with other programming languages. So what's the big deal about Python? Here are a few reasons. Reason 1. With Python, we can solve complex problems in less time with fewer lines of code. Okay, let's take one example. You want to extract first 4 characters of hello world. This is the code we have to write in C#. This is how we do it in JavaScript. Here is how we do it in Python. See how sure and clean the language is, and that's just a beginning. And yes, this is a language which is easy to learn because if you will see Java, C, C++, you need to give more time to learn their syntax rather than the logic. But in Python, you can easily learn the syntax and you can give more time to think about logic. Another reason is high community support. Whenever you are stuck in somewhere, there is someone out there to help. Another reason is it has a large ecosystem of libraries, framework and tools. That means whatever you want to do it is likely that someone else have done it before. And guys, YouTube, where you are seeing this video, this is written in Python. Instagram, Dropbox, Quora, these popular apps are also written in Python. So you can imagine how much important and highly used language it is. All of that means Python is awesome. Guys, I think I am very much clear to you. If you have some doubt, feel free to write in comment section and don't forget to subscribe. Now, what is Flask and what is API? Flask is nothing but a web framework which is used for building application in Python. Now I am taking one example. Let's say I have a front end which is written in HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and I want to integrate it with my backend. Also, I want to test whether it is working fine or not. So I want to host it on my local host. Now in this scenario, both Flask and API comes in picture. Flask will host this complete part on localhost and API will help to talk with frontend and backend. I am giving you one more example to make your vision more clear. When you use an application on your mobile phone,
The application connects to the internet and sends data to a server. The server then retrieves that data, interprets it, performs necessary actions, and sends it back to your phone. The application then interprets that data and presents you with the information you wanted in a readable way. This is what an API is, and all of this happens via API. If you have found this video helpful, please support us by liking it and sharing it with others. And don't forget to subscribe our channel for Satgyan.